Here we have the second case study. So this is a Man City striker who had a minor tear, grade 2 sprain. This happened at the beginning of this year. So this is the kind of start to mid-season, which he's out for injury and he's going to be away for his main season. Out for 1 or 2 months. He'll be back just before the end of peak season, but because he's back at this time, the likelihood is he won't be strong enough to play for the end of the season. So for him, I've done to keep on track with opposition performance, to start to analyse the opposition's games. So if he knows that he's playing another team in 3 weeks' time, he may, just to keep mentally active, analyse that team's games against others, and take away some pointers which he thinks his team could use, and possibly even feed them back to the team, because this allows him to stay interactive. He needs to increase his confidence, because when he goes back, he will be at a lower level than everyone else, because they would have been training, working hard, and been playing. Now, this is a negative for him, but by carrying out physio sessions and getting back to his performance levels, by the time he is back at the end of the season, he may be able to play a few games at a lower level at a club, rather than at his main performance club level. By reaching goals, such as being able to get back further back and still be able to take a shot. So being a striker, he may start at 10 metres from the goal, taking a shot, and then as long as there is no pain, if he is taking this back and achieving more by keeping a progress diary and working out how far he's got and trying every week to go back 1 or 2 metres, this allows for him to realise that he is going somewhere, he is achieving better, he is getting back to how he was before. So the strategies he is going to be using is keeping a progress diary to be able to help him see if he's improving, staying involved by analysing the games, and stress and relaxation. So stress and relaxation, this is going to be calming techniques. So he may listen to music, which also kind of fits in with the strategy. But he will use his stress, so the stress of not playing. This can really help him because he's going to be motivated. He's going to want to get back as soon as he can. So this is really going to be a benefit for him.